Monday, April 3rd, 2017. This is just too much. I just don't know how I'm ever gonna get this arrested. It's so depressing. It's like I turned my whole world upside down. And we have so much strength.